Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, in today's video, we will see how to create, uh, you know, in a same place plots at a time. Which means, like, suppose ये plot section है, so मुझे ये particular section में I have to create 4 plots at a time. So, how will you create that? Okay, so एकदम basic से start करेंगे and then we'll see how the plots gets generated. Okay, and we will also see what is the function used to generate 4 plots at a time in a same place. Okay, so before getting started, if you are new to the channel, hit subscribe to the channel for latest updates regarding any kind of coding, and video के end तक बने रहना, and don't forget to like, share and comment if you like the video. Okay, so let's get started. सबसे पहला तो when you're trying to create 4 plots at a time, for that you have to divide this particular space into 4 parts, right? That means 4 quadrants. Okay, so for that, what is the function which is used in the RStudio for doing that? So that is called as bar. Okay, so bar is a function, PAR, which can be used as for the graphical representation. It's like a short form for parameter. Okay, so parameter, what I am telling it, so I'm telling mfrow, that is mfrow, okay, should be equal to c, and I'm dividing it into like 2 comma 2. That means I'm basically setting a parameter like this particular space should be divided into 4 parts. Okay, so it should be divided into 4 parts. So अगर ऐसे देखोगे, so if this is our space, so this space should be divided into 4 parts so that we can go ahead and create our graphs. So our first plot should be here, and then the second one should be here, the third should be here, and the last one should be here. Okay, this is how the output should look like. Okay, so for that, this particular function is used, that is part mfrow equal to c 2 comma 2. That means division of this whole section wherein the plots is being displaced into 4 parts, that is 1 2 3 4. उसको हम बोलते हैं quadrants. Okay, now let me erase these things. ठीक है, up next, coming up to this part, right now I have set the parameter what I want. Next part is to plot. Okay, so let's go for the first plot. So the first plot will be, let me comment, so plot 1, and it's for top left quadrant. Okay, that means right here, top left quadrant. Okay, so we'll just press enter and then we'll write our plotting code. So for that, I'll just write plot and then I'll give the value to it. For x-axis, so x-axis I'll give it should plot from suppose 1 to 10. Okay, so 1 colon 10 I can write. So it goes from 1 and then till 10. Okay, similarly for y I will write 1 colon 10. Okay, and let's give us the type as, so type of this particular plot as, let's say it's L. Okay, and I'll set the color as blue ले लेते हैं. Okay, so okay, and I'll also set the xlab and ylab. So we have xlab and then ylab. And I'll give it as a name, main plot 1. Okay, so these are the all things which is for the first, जो कि it will come on the left quadrant. So I'll just press enter. So if you see right here, plot 1, x-axis, y-axis, and this got created. Okay, now if we go for the next plot, so next plot के लिए I'll just copy and change the wordings over here. So plot 2 कर देते हैं इसको, and then tops, let's say I need it on the right quadrant. Okay, so again next minor changes you have to do. What you have to do is you have to just write it over here. Suppose I change the type. So let's say this is a circle. So circle represents P, and I'll change it to, let's say, red. Okay, and इसको बना देते हैं plot 2. Okay, and if I press enter, so देखोगे this side it got created. So that is my plot 2, right quadrant पे. Okay, next if I go for plot 3, so उसके लिए again I have to, I'll just mention. So bottom side में जाता है, bottom left quadrant. Okay, and then plot. So bottom left quadrant के लिए left hand side है. So left hand side में ग्राफ कुछ इस तरीके से दिखेगा. Okay, so it's like ग्राफ ऐसे आना चाहिए, and your graph should start from here, right? Because it's from left quadrant. So for that, what you have to do is you have to run x is equal to 10:1. अगर आप 1:10 से चालू करोगे, then it will go from this side. Okay, so that is the reason. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, I just change the x values. So x will be running from, or x value will be ranging from 10:1. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे plot and then x equal to मैंने ले दिया 10:1, and then for y I'll give, okay, and then type, suppose इसका type देते हैं h, and then color I'll also give, let's see, the color is green. Okay, and then xlab, ylab, okay. Y-axis, and then my main. So that's the title. So I'll just give plot 3. Okay, so that's my plot 3, which is on the left quadrant. So this is how it will look like. Plot 3 left quadrant में create हो गया. Okay, next we'll go for the plot 4, जो कि create होगा on the bottom right side. Okay. So for that, what you'll do, so plot लिखो, and then inside that you can write x is equal to 10:1 for the same reason which I said on the above, and then y is equal to 10:1. Okay, and then type उसका ले लेते हैं, suppose B. Okay, and then color. Okay, and then the xlab. And now we get plot 4. Okay, so that's my plot 4. I'll press enter. So now if you see, I'll zoom it. So this is how it will look like. So chart, it's like in a same place you can create 4 quadrants, and then so this is our quadrant, this part, this whole part is our quadrant. ये हो गया एक quadrant की तरह. Okay, and here this is my first plot, this is my second plot, ये third plot, and then the fourth plot. Similarly, you can change here the graphics over here in each and every plot if you want. If you want to change a particular element in the plot, you can also do it. So do let me know in the comment section if you want to know how to do those changes and how to play with the graphics of any kind of plotting in our studio. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you feel this video was worth it, so go ahead and hit the like button, share it as much as you can, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel for the latest update. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in our next video for more and more interesting